Kushu TV. Mountain pose. Let's start by standing tall like a mountain. Feet together, arms by your side, and take a deep breath in. This pose helps you feel strong, still, and ready for the day. Arms up, warrior pose. Now lift your arms up like a brave warrior. 1 foot forward, 1 foot back. This pose gives you strength and courage like a superhero. Arms sideward pose. Stretch your arms out to the sides like wings. Look straight ahead and feel powerful. This pose helps you focus and stand tall with confidence. Half moon pose. Time to balance like the moon on the sky. 1 leg up, 1 arm on the sky. This pose helps you balance and feel light like a feather. Chair pose. Now, let's sit on an invisible chair. Bend your knees and raise your arms up. This pose makes your legs strong and your heart brave. Triangle pose. Spread your legs and stretch one arm down, the other up. You look like a triangle now. This pose helps stretch your sides and make you feel open and free. Cow pose. On your hands and knees, look up and say moo. This is cow pose. It stretches your back and makes you calm and happy. Cat pose. Now, arch your back like a cat and say meow. This cat pose helps your spine move and keep your body soft and bendy. Cobra pose. Lie on your tummy. Press your hands down and lift your chest. Hiss like a cobra snake. This pose makes your back strong and your heart open. Airplane pose. Stand tall and tilt forward. Arms out wide like airplane wings. This pose helps you balance and feel like you are flying through the sky. Bridge pose. Lie on your back. Bend your knees and lift your tummy up like a bridge. This pose makes your belly and legs strong and gives you energy. Meditation. Sit down, cross your legs and rest your hands gently. Close your eyes and take slow breaths. This pose helps you feel peaceful, quiet and happy inside. See you next time.